Assalamu alaikum. What does Ramadan look like in your home? For many families, it's defined by two things: the hunger of fasting and the feast of iftar. But what if we're missing the entire point? What if Ramadan isn't about what goes into our stomachs, but what grows in our hearts? The Quran calls Ramadan the month in which the Quran was revealed, a guidance for mankind. Our challenge is to make it feel that way for our children. Today we learn how to transform Ramadan from a month of deprivation to your family's greatest spiritual harvest. The shift starts before Ramadan. We must build collective excitement, not just collective hunger. This is about anticipation, not anxiety. Your first tool, the Ramadan Countdown and Action Calendar. Love beyond candy calendars. Create one with daily good deeds or learning goals. Day 1, call a grandparent. Day 2, learn the dua for breaking fast. Day 3, donate one toy. Create Ramadan Goals meeting. Hold a family council. Ask everyone, what's one thing you want to achieve this Ramadan? A child might say, pray Taraweeh with you. A teen might say, finish listening to a Sirah podcast. Write them down. Display them. You're framing Ramadan as a team project with spiritual objectives, not a solitary test of endurance. Check out the Welcome Ramadan Planner and Journal for Kids, which includes various Ramadan duas, checklists, activities for children which will help them have the best Ramadan of their lives. Link is given in description if you are interested. A huge mistake is making Ramadan a burden on one person, usually mom. This breeds resentment, not spirituality. The solution? Shared responsibilities. For teens, I'll plan and cook one iftar this week. Child, I'll set the dates and water on the table. Everyone, we all help clean up in 10 minutes. Give age-appropriate roles. Let teens help with grocery planning or cooking. Younger kids can be in charge of the prayer mat layout or decorating. When everyone contributes, everyone owns the success of the month. This teaches a critical lesson. Ibadah, or worship, is not just prayer and fasting. It's serving your family. It's creating comfort for others. Cleaning up for Taraweeh can be an act of worship. The most powerful teaching tool isn't your words, it's your home's atmosphere. We must intentionally curate it. Reduce the noise. Consciously let the default sound in the house be Quran recitation or beneficial talks. Connection zones. Have a cozy corner with Islamic books and board games ready. Iftar reflection question. At iftar, go beyond, what did you eat at school? Ask one reflective question. What was a moment you felt grateful for today? Or, what did you learn about yourself while fasting? You're engineering an environment where spiritual growth is the easiest, most natural path to take. Your action step is to choose one family Ramadan project, one collective goal that you'll work on throughout the month. Decide as a family. It could be, memorize Surah Al-Mulk together. Prepare and deliver 5 iftar meals to your Muslim neighbors. This project becomes your family's unique legacy for that Ramadan. It's tangible, collaborative, and deeply spiritual. Let's harvest the key strategies. 1. Build anticipation. Use a Ramadan action calendar and family goal setting. Share the load. Implement shared responsibilities so worship includes service to the family. 3. Curate the environment. Design a home atmosphere of reduced noise and increased connection. 4. Take action. Choose one family Ramadan project to unite your efforts. When you do this, Ramadan stops being a challenge to survive and becomes a season your children will anticipate. This completes Part 2, Building the Pillars. Next, we enter Part 3, Nurturing Character in a Digital World. Starting with the most urgent topic, being your child's first and best content filter. What will your family Ramadan project be? Share your idea in the comments to inspire others. Subscribe so you don't miss our crucial digital citizenship strategies. May Allah grant you many blessed Ramadans and make your family a means of goodness. You can support my work by supporting me on Patreon and checking out links to my books and art store in the video description. Jazak Allah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.